we're on Scratch. Like, you think I might be going crazy? Scratch is really fun. So we have Sprite 1 here. Okay, so we want to, just comment down below what you want to do. I have no idea what I'm going to do, so yeah, I need some ideas. Hang on, let's see what Flamey wants to do. Let's do dinosaur. No. Should we make like... What are we gonna do? Do bat, okay. I've selected bat. Put him high in the sky. Yeah. And then choose the stars. And then choose dot. Yeah. There. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so if we want a moon, let's grab another character. Set it as a beach ball. There. And then we're going to go on costumes. And then we're going to want to, like, fill in that with yellow. There we go. And now, for the red, we can go, shoot, like a really dark, like the darkest blue. That's purple. Who cares? And then, yeah. Sounds. Let's pick a sound. I feel like Nova's going to be the perfect one for this. If we can find Epic Nova. No, I think it's just called Nova. Yeah. Like that. Yeah. Yeah, so we're going to have that. So when clicked, control. Wait 1 second. Sound. Play Bass Nova until done. Sensing. I think we need... Yeah. Say, we're in space. We're in space for maybe 5 seconds. Wait. No, we don't want that on there. We want it on dot. So, delete that. Then we have to do the same for dot and the bat. So, wait 1 second. Then sound. Then play Bass Nova. What? Yeah. Bark. And then you do I'm in space. No. Space. For 5 seconds. Then we do the bat. When clicked, control. Wait 1 second. Sound. Play owl. Then we go sound. Then we go Bass Nova. And then we play Bass Nova. Okay. And then I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. This sounds epic. Huh. That was kinda cool. So, guys, I'm afraid that will be the end of this Scratch lesson. I will be back. So, if you want to see me do like my proper game that I built with my dad, then just click on the video on the screen right now. Bye!